What's up, everybody? Okay, we got a tournament tonight. This is August the 10th. It's on the Marsheyhope River. We don't have a big crowd coming today. It's just I don't know, about 8 of us are going to be fishing. Haven't fished all July. I've been doing a lot of crabbing, but we took the whole the river runners. We actually, I would say, took the month off. We did a fishing tournament, but we did it over Facebook, where you can, at the end of the month, through the whole month, you can go fishing wherever you want. You can fish ponds. It doesn't matter where you fish at. You go and you fish, and you get your 3 best fish at the end of the month, and you win. I didn't really fish. I just pretty much donated my money. I ended up just being pretty busy, but this is our first tournament. Now it's a night tournament. We're going to 3 o'clock in the afternoon to 9. And the reason we did this is because if anybody goes towards Ocean City, Maryland, or goes to Rehoboth Beach, or goes down to Bethany or Dewey Beach, well, the main, you got to come over the Chesapeake Bay Bridge for most people. And that's coming down Route 50 East. And right now the guys are running late because they left at 1 o'clock. It's already after 2. And they're saying they're not going to make it till like 3:30. We did that month long because of all the 4th of July. On a Sunday afternoon, the traffic over the Bay Bridge can be horrendous. It can be backed up for miles and take you forever to get home. So that's why we did it tonight. And the next one will be in September, after the the summer holidays and kids are back in school and stuff. And that way the guys will come back down on Sunday, and then we'll start fishing. Okay, I'm going to win today. That's my luck. I don't ever have any good luck down here on the Marsheyhope. I fished so many times down here, and I just don't do well. But I feel confident today. I took 2nd place the last tournament. We're going up and make it first. We're going to be first today. We're going to kick their butt.
Don't you watch the YouTube video?
All right, we're down here at Marsheyhope. It looks pretty. Look, Brian, he's got all the Red Bull for us, so we'll never get tired. And he got Rob. That's one team. The other guys are running late because of the damn Bay Bridge. Who the hell wants to live on the other side?
Did I hear it correctly?
I don't think I'm ever fishing a Marsheyhope again. It's so different than never, ever. Probably I don't know. So I did terrible on the Marsheyhope, just terrible. I cannot catch fish. I can fish every river. I can go down to the Nanacook and catch fish. I can go up to the Choptank, everywhere around it, but that river gives me a hell way to go, and I hate it. And it frustrates me to go there, even though I love it. It's prettiest river. It's beautiful. I've caught probably my second biggest fish ever on that river, and that was during a tournament, and it was the only fish I caught all day. One fish. I'm good for one, but I cannot get my limit on that river. So my buddy says, well, that gives you even more reason to get down there and fish it every time you get a chance. Now, I could go there today, but I'm not going to go too far away. They were calling some pretty bad storms last night, why I did not go. But I'm going this morning. I'm off today, and I got a good tide, and I'm going to run down there. We're 5 minutes. I'm going up on the Choptank River, and I'm 5 minutes away. We're going to go, and we're going to hit that real quick, and we're going to catch some goddamn fish.
Noises to me. I'm done, I'm through with your toxic world. I watch it burn.
Well, you see I'm soaking wet. It's because I lifted my rod up. My other rod was actually hooked to it and my rod fell in. And I guess a man's stuff is worth a lot because boy did I just completely jumped in the water. I dove in, soaked. They got it. Uh-oh. My GoPro didn't have its waterproof case because I wasn't going in. It looked like it ain't working right now. That sucks. We'll take the battery out. We'll take the battery out and let it. We'll take the battery out and let it dry. Well, I'm cooled off. Fortunately, had all my pants. All right, going into the trees. Let's go back to fishing. Well, looky, a Senko. A Senko. Oh my goodness gracious! I caught one on a Senko. Ah. They weren't lying. It does catch fish. They were telling me the truth. He's a little guy, but it's okay. Senko. Well, look at the little crankbait. GoPro, stop recording. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Treble hooks. I want to get it in my hand, I know it. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I'll get you in a second. Couple little guys today. Nothing real big. Crankbait, spinnerbait. Crankbait, spinnerbait, crankbait, Senko, crankbait. I thought the tie was about done, but we might be able to get another one off of here.